Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Please, please do not try this at home.
Hi, this is Greg from the Nonprofit Enrollment Center, and I'm just calling to follow up on a letter that you probably received in the last few days regarding reducing the rates on your credit cards down to as low as 1.5%. This isn't a new loan, and you've already been pre-approved by one of the nonprofit agencies. So in order for us to do that by your next billing cycle and get your bills lowered, we need some info like the balances off of your statements. So if you could please have your statements handy when you give me a call back, that'd be great. My number is 866-779-3934, and again, that's Greg, 866-779-3934. Thanks.
New enrollments, Kathy speaking.
Yes, I'm calling for Greg.
I'm sorry, Greg is working with someone currently. I am an associate of his. May I help you?